Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. In this quick video, I am going to show you that if you have created a Google Doc and you want to send it as email directly, how we can do that. So we have a couple of options for that. If you want to send a link and not attach the file as an attachment, what we can do is just open the Google Doc right here and just click on the share option right here. And if you want to make some sharing settings or adjust the sharing settings, what you can do is just click on the sharing settings directly. And from here, if it is set to restricted, you can set it to anyone with this link can view or edit whatever you like or commentator. But by default, if you keep the role to viewer, the users will be able to not delete that, but they can easily download that or use that. So after that, you can just copy that link here and you can go to your email and just write the link here and send it to the recipient. The other way of doing this is if you want to send it as attachment, where you can see a little drive sign here at the bottom when you are sending the email right here. And what you can do is just click here and just select that particular Google Docs file that you have uploaded on Google Drive. Not exactly uploaded, because whatever you create in Google Docs will by default be updated to Google Drive. So you will find all of these Google Docs right here on the Google Drive. From the recent one, if you want to quickly access that, just select it from here, and now you will use it as a link and you can add as attachment. You will get both options from here. So that's great. Let's add as attachment, and this way it will upload it and it will show you it as attachment. So if you want to directly attach that, you can do that. So that was a pretty straightforward solution. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.